In today's video, we are going to look at the top 5 best GPS camera drones available on the market. We researched the web and read lots of real user reviews before creating the GPS camera drones list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the GPS camera drones mentioned, be sure to check the description link. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell button for more informative videos. Number 5, Xiaomi S2S 8K GPS drone. The Xiaomi S2S drone is a feature-packed quadcopter designed for professional aerial photography. It boasts 8K resolution with dual cameras, complete omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, and a brushless motor for smooth, stable flights. The drone has a 28-minute flight time, 8 km transmission range, FPV operation, and GPS positioning, making it perfect for capturing high-quality videos and photos. Its removable battery, strobe, spotlight, and 4K divided by 6K divided by 8K recording options make it ideal for both hobbyists and professional content creators. Lightweight at 310 g, this drone combines performance, portability, and precision for every aerial mission. Number 4, Xiaomi GT8 8K Professional Drone. The Xiaomi GT8 drone delivers advanced drone technology with dual 8K cameras, GPS, and FPV control. It features visual obstacle avoidance, brushless motors, and folding design for easy portability. With a 20-minute flight time, 3000 m remote distance, and multiple camera stabilization options including optical and gimbal, this drone is perfect for professional videography. Its built-in display and app controls support multiple languages, ensuring an intuitive experience. Compact yet powerful, the GT8 offers precision, high-resolution recording, and smooth hovering for photographers and drone enthusiasts. Number 3, GISAEV Z908 Pro Max 8K Drone. The GISAEV Z908 Pro Max is a high-performance 8K GPS drone designed for professional aerial photography. It features dual cameras, radar-based obstacle avoidance, and a 450G lightweight design for stable, agile flight. The drone supports FPV, electronic image stabilization, and a 10,000 m remote control range for extended aerial exploration. With 28-minute flight time, 60 frames per second video recording, and 80 MP sensor resolution, it captures ultra-high-definition footage. This brushless motor drone combines long-range capability, GPS accuracy, and easy app or remote control, making it perfect for professional photographers and drone hobbyists seeking high-quality aerial content. Number 2, Xiaomi S156 8K GPS Drone. The Xiaomi S156 drone offers 8K professional HD video recording with a 360 degrees dual camera setup and GPS-based obstacle avoidance. It includes a 2-axis gimbal, brushless motors, and a long 47-minute flight time with a 20 km remote distance, ideal for expansive aerial coverage. The drone supports FPV operation, multiple video resolutions, and app-based remote control for precise maneuvering. Lightweight yet durable, it provides stable flight even under wind resistance below 10 km per hour, perfect for hobbyists and professionals. The S156 combines long battery life, high-quality imaging, and full GPS functionality to capture stunning aerial visuals. Number 1, V198 GPS 8K Foldable Drone. The V198 GPS drone is a compact and foldable quadcopter with 8K HD video recording, laser obstacle avoidance, and a brushless motor. It features GPS navigation, FPV control, and a 22-minute flight time with a 1.2 km remote range. Designed for aerial photography enthusiasts, it offers smooth and stable flight for capturing high-resolution images and videos. Lightweight at 260 g, this mini drone is easy to transport and perfect for both beginners and professionals. Its foldable design, powerful camera features, and advanced obstacle avoidance make it a top choice for those seeking precision, portability, and superior aerial performance.